How to reset service light on Dacia or Renault Logan 2, Sandero Stepway 2, Lodgy Dokker, Duster in 4 easy steps. Here we have a Dacia Sandero from 2019 and we have those orange wavy line warning light and the small wrench appeared on instrument cluster display. So, the car is telling us that we have to reset the service light. To do that, first, switch the ignition on but don't start the engine. Then press on the windshield wipers arm button until you see the service menu on display or that small lines and wrench. Then press on the button and keep pressing until the service light is reset. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Then turn the ignition off. Now, turn the ignition on to check if the wrench icon and orange wavy line warning light on display has disappeared and so the service light reset is done. If it's not working, try the method with pedals like this. Switch ignition on but don't start the engine. Within 10 seconds you have to press and hold accelerator pedal fully depressed. Press and release brake pedal 3 times. Then you will see that wavy line warning light and the small wrench has disappeared from display.
If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.